Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to flip image in Snapseed. If you're new to Snapseed and you don't know how to flip images, I'm going to show you an easy way to do it. So without any further ado, let's get into it. At first, open the Snapseed app on your phone. Now, click on the plus icon to choose the photo that you want to flip. Now, simply click on Tools at the bottom menu and choose the Rotate option here. Now, simply click here to flip the image, just like this. And you can also rotate the image by clicking here. And once you're happy, click here to save changes. And just like that, we can flip or rotate image in Snapseed. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this.